In this video, we are going to show you how to create a link between both child and extra child. For this example, we will use project milestones, and tasks. The only requirement for Planner Plus to maintain the link between the different objects is a text field to store the record ID. If you want to provide a real relationship, we will create 2 additional lookup fields and update them using a flow. We are going to create 3 fields in both the child and extra child objects. 1. Predecessor text field, 20 characters to hold ID. 2. Predecessor milestone, lookup to milestone object. 3. Predecessor task, lookup to task object. Then we'll create the first flow to update the lookup in case the predecessor text field changes. Go to Flow, and click on New. Click Record Trigger Flow. Select your task object. Add a condition to activate the flow when the predecessor text field is changed. Add an element. Select Get Records to find if the ID we hold in our text field is task or milestone. Select the task object. Set the condition to find any record that matches the current record ID in our text field predecessor. Find first record. Click on Done. Now we'll use the same logic to search the milestone object. Click on Add Element. Select Get Records. Select the milestone object. Add a condition where the milestone record ID equals the current record predecessor text field. Click Done. Click on Add Element. Select Decision. The first decision is if the task is found. Select the milestone collection record ID. Is null equal true? Add a condition that the task record collection is null equal to false to make sure we did find a record of the task collection. Now we'll make a second decision for the milestone. We'll use the same condition but this time in reverse to make sure we find a record of the milestone collection. Select the milestone collection record ID, is null equal false, and add a condition that the task record collection is null equal true. Click Done. Now we can update the task record. Click on Add Element. Select Update Record. Select the task lookup field and assign the value from the text field. Make sure to assign a blank string to the predecessor milestone lookup field. Click Done. Now, we will do the update in case a milestone is found. Select Update Record. Label it. Update the predecessor milestone. Select the predecessor milestone lookup field and assign the value from the text field. Make sure to assign a blank string to the task lookup field. Click Done. Save the flow. We will create a copy of this flow to trigger when the milestone record changes. Save flow as a new flow. Change the starting object to the milestone object. Make sure to validate the field names appropriate to the milestone object. Go back to the native Planner Plus component and change both link fields to the text field we created earlier. Save. We can now connect the 2 different objects and maintain updated lookup fields. Thank you. Don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions.